Good morning, children. Yesterday we are completed revision on 7th lesson bit part. Today we will revise question answers. Okay. Now open your CW, children. We will read question answers today. See first one. Differentiate between enamel and dentine. Okay. So we have to write here differences between the enamel and dentine. How it is the enamel, children? It is the white outer covering that covers the crown of the teeth. It is the hardest substance in our body. Okay. What is the hardest substance in our body, children? Enamel. And next see dentine. It is yellow in color. It lies below the enamel. It is softer than that enamel. Okay. So below the enamel, yesterday we have discussed the tooth parts. As children, in that we can see it is below the enamel, dentine. And second question, see children, list the types of teeth and their count in our mouth. We are having 4 types of teeth in our mouth, children. Incisors 8, canines 4, premolars 8 and molars 12. Next, third question, see, what happens if food particles remain in our mouth? So sometimes if you are eating any food item, it will stuck in our mouth. So what happened if you are not clean your mouth? The germs will form in our mouth, no? So here also that is germs and food particles that remain in the mouth also cause tooth pain, gum diseases, bleeding, indigestion and bad breath. Okay. Next, fourth Roman essay question, see children. Describe the 3 main parts of a tooth. First one, crown. It is the shiny white portion of the tooth visible above the gums. If you are observing the tooth picture, then you will know that crown. Yes, children. So this is the crown here and neck. So below the crown we can see neck. It is the narrow part where the crown meets the root. Okay, down part we can call this is the root. So root, it is the embedded within the gums and extends into the jawbone. Okay, so this root, it will be extended to our jawbone and it holds the tooth firmly in the place. Okay. Next, second question, see children. Describe the different layers of a tooth. Up to now we will know that parts of a tooth. Here they are asking layers of a tooth. See, enamel, dentine and pulp. So what? Here see enamel. So it is the hardest substance in our body and it protects our teeth from wear and tear while chewing. And dentine. So below the enamel we can see dentine. It is softer than the enamel. It lies below the enamel. It surrounds the nerves. So if you are observing that below the dentine, children, you can see that nerves. Okay, so it senses the heat and cold. So that is called here pulp. So it lies below the dentine. It is very soft. It also has nerves that help us feel sensations such as heat, cold and pain. Okay, children. Now see third question. Explain how a permanent tooth replaces a milk tooth. Small children, they have milk teeth, the children. So when they are lost that milk tooth, after they will get permanent tooth. So how it is? The milk tooth eventually falls off to give way to the permanent tooth. The permanent tooth happily grows in the place of the milk tooth. Next, see fourth question, children. Explain the stages of tooth decay. List some ways to take care of our teeth. If you are not brushing properly every day, what we get? So we get tooth decays and teeth problems. So how can you take care of our teeth? We will know now. See, answer here. When we do not clean our teeth every day, we suffer some problems in stages. First one, we will get a plaque. Sometimes teeth get covered by a sticky layer of germs. And next we will get a problem cavity. This plaque along with sugar from the food forms acid. So acid can make holes in the enamel. Okay, next third problem we will get tooth decay. Okay, what is the third problem we will get? Tooth decay. First one plaque and next one cavity, third one tooth decay. When germs enter these cavities, the teeth begin to rot or decay. So here we have some steps to take care of our teeth. Brush your teeth twice a day and rinse your mouth well after every meal. Visit your dentist once in 6 months for a dental checkup. Okay children. So today we have completed these all question answers children. Then you will complete 7th lesson. Yesterday you have completed bit part no? So today you have to read these all question answers. Already we have revised these some question answers. So I think you have big questions only. So you have to read today itself. Okay. Tomorrow we will revise next 8th lesson children. Bye. Have a nice day.